What's up, Internet? It's bright and early on a Monday morning. I should have Lane back in the next couple days, so that's pretty sweet. Have some help. He's actually back today, but he needs his passport so he can cross the border to go to LS Fest, because his is expired. And he's going to pick up a whole bunch of parts. A big list of parts from Mopac and from Performance World. Again, shout out to Greg and Performance World, because they've helped out with this build so much. It's crazy. Can't thank them enough. It's wild. So I've got door panels in. I thought I was going to have to clean it up right here, but it's squishy enough that the door bar just pushes it in. It's a little dark in there. I got the WRX seat in, because I'll be able to run a harness, because I want to be safe instead of no seat belts like last year. We're gonna do our mounts for the slider boxes to give us some ride height back this week. Our new shifter will be in. There's a whole pile of stuff that we got ordered again. I just did some interior stuff and some safety stuff. Really? Really? Every time. Some customer cars coming in to get done. Fred's not in a rush. I appreciate you, Fred. Thank you for understanding. We're also waiting for some parts for him. I know he watches, so thank you, Fred. Thanks for being patient. Thanks for supporting us on the build, and thanks for being patient so we can go do cool stuff in Las Vegas. You too, Danny. We also found front runners, because you can't find them anywhere. They're U-set, they're coming out of Calgary, they're shipping this morning. They're M&H's, really stoked, not breaking the bank, so very happy about that. I have those in a couple days too. Just got some more deliveries. Our front runners are here. Found a U-set out of Calgary. Bias ply 2. These are hard to come by. Very hard to come by. Thanks, Tyler from Calgary. Super stoked. Really appreciate it. Didn't charge us a whole bunch either, and they came in like a day, so super stoked. I'm about to mount these bad boys. Check back with you when they're on. All those skinny bastards are a little tough to get on. Here they are. Nice and skinny, nice and light. Shout out to Viz and Reel. These look fantastic. Ignore the dragging brakes, I guess. Still lots to do. So remember when I told you that we're using CO2? Well, I lied. We're going to be doing a Vera Air, just a little one, tank for our boost control. Then we're also gonna put a little air chuck right here so that when we're cruising on our drag and drive events and cruising on the street and something happens and we're at the track, we can set our own air pressures. No CO2, just air. Be awesome. Then there's our water tank and my pump. I'm gonna mount it in here. Run the pump right here so that it in, down, be nice and easy. Then I'm finishing up where we're putting the radiator. Got poly bushings bolted on and then welded onto there. Then I just got to do some clearancing so that this will fit down there so I can bolt it through since we have that cut out. I will show you the little polys that we're using. Just one sec. These are the little poly bushings. They got 2 bolt holes in the back. Go around and set in on there. Another Performance World piece, like $25 or something when you get 2. So it's awesome. It should hold our radiator in place just perfect. have the radiator all the way in. Couple bolts, couple tacks. These 4 bolts. Hank, where you going? Nowhere. Air tank is mounted. Little compressor is mounted. Dead center of the truck. Ice boxes mounted. Got a whole bunch of fittings and airlines we got to deal with still, but everything's mounted. We got a whole stack of parts over here. Our spool, our Performance World 9-inch pumpkin, our billet yoke, our new bearing kit, so ordered a couple sensors from Low Dollar, map and dome pressure. What else do I got over here? Right here is Performance World's new steam kit with twist locks. Push lock, nice and easy. Can put it wherever we want. We have a Comp Cams trending upgrade kit that I need to install so we can rev that unit past 7,000. We got some things coming from Summit that should be here Friday. Then I can damn near get the rest of this done. Lane will be back. Lane is doing his passport. Let his passport expire. So now he's dealing with it quick, short notice. So he'll be here. He's got a plan for mounting the slider boxes. And we're going to build our own Caltrax. He's got that design, going to get it all cut up tomorrow. We're making progress. It's going to come down to the wire, but we'll get it done. And we'll see you at LS Fest. Buy some merch. Come say hi if you see us. We'll be trying to make some friends. Remember, drive fast, take chances, risky habits.